Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Virgo placements. Okay, so let's see sino ba itong nag-iisip sa'yo and why. Kukuha tayo ng ibang or ilang energies. Okay, so syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, yes, they're all available pero yung ating grantor is made to order po, no? And yeah, meron tayong evil eye protection, ring, necklace, bracelets. So, yun. And syempre, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, meron siyang citrine. Okay? So, kahit i-search nyo para saan yung citrine, that's para siyang nag-a-act as money magnet. Okay? So, yun po, ha? And yes, again, sa lahat-lahat, oo. Kung inyo ito ay I need your real name, and kung inyong ipangreregalo or ibibigay kung kanino man, kailangan ko yung pangalan po, no, ng pagbibigyan. And syempre, yung ating grantor, so si grantor, yung taga-grant and taga-pagbigay ng weekly surprises, small, medium, large, oo, na surprises, anything. So, yes, ang masasabi ko lang, merong ibibigay sa'yo si grantor weekly aside pa sa minamanifest mo. Okay? So, yung minamanifest mo, kailangan mo lang talagang proteksyonan sa pamamagitan ng pagsusuot or paggamit ng evil eye protection. Okay? So, isa yon para ating masecure, masecure yung ating mga minamanifest para hindi magalaw ng mga nagbabato ng evil eye sa'yo. Okay? And syempre, yung ating cord cut, yung pangtanggal, pangalis, pangiwas, MALAS. Yes, pwede po ito sa bahay, pwede yan sa business. Okay? And pang sariling gamit. Okay? So, yun po. No? Okay, so, let's start the reading, Virgo. Sino ba itong nag-iisip sa iyo and bakit? So, pwedeng hindi ito romantic. Okay? Kasi ang tanong lang natin is napaka-universal. Universal. Standard. Like, sino? Let's see. Anong energy ng taong to na nag-iisip sa iyo at bakit? Sino ito, Virgo? The Knight of Pentacles, okay, and the Lovers. Pwedeng Earth sign, pwedeng Gemini. Ito yung sabihin natin, pwedeng ka-connect mo. Okay? Pero ang dami pa ring hindi magawa. Or parang ang dami pa rin niyang sabihin nating conflict, no? Pwedeng meron kayong relasyon nito pero may hadlang. What's with this Knight of Pentacles? The Ten of Pentacles. So Virgo, kung sino man ito, may chance na hindi pa niya kayang mag-settle with you. The commitments. Okay? I think may blockage pagdating sa connection nyo ng taong to. Yeah. Pwedeng issue sa pera. Okay? Ang isang dahilan kung bakit may blockage dito sa connection. Pwedeng sabihin natin, ito yung taong hindi pa maka-oo sa'yo pagdating sa kasal. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Or pwedeng vice versa. Let's see. Anong meron sa sitwasyon? Anong meron? The Chariot and the Star. So, I think, kung sino man to, okay, sa situation na to, kaya hindi pa niya kayang mag-settle down with you, may chance na pagdating kasi sa connection nyo, parang mas marami pa siyang gustong mangyari. The Chariot, the Star, okay, hindi niya hahayaan yung sarili niya parang mas stuck na lang if ever, kasi parang iniisip niya, what if mag-settle na ako, ganto, ganyan, baka hindi ko na magawa yung mga gusto kong gawin, parang ganyan. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles, this could be a family. This could be family. Pwedeng ang hadlang pa sa inyo is family. Ay family niya, Virgo. Kaya hindi pa ito is specific, hindi pa nila kayang sabihin nating i-let go. Kasi kung makikita nyo, parang nakatali. Hindi pa kayang i-let go ng family itong kung sino man ito pagdating sa'yo, kasi parang gusto pa nila na may maraming mangyari sa buhay nung maybe anak nila. Pwedeng karelasyon mo to, and ang parang nagiging hadlang dito is pamilya. Specific po to, ha. Wala, okay, so this is specific, hindi to para sa lahat, ha. Okay, so bakit kanya iniisip? Bakit kaya iniisip ng taong to, Virgo? Bakit kanya iniisip? The Sun in reverse. Oh. And the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Nice. Okay, so the Tower is here in reverse. The Two of Cups in reverse. So iniisip ng taong to, dumarating dun sa punto, ha, na minsan parang nabablock na rin ito ng sarili niyang family. This is specific, I'm talking to someone here. Okay? May chance na parang nadidiktahan na rin itong taong to. Okay? May chance na parang hindi na rin siya ganun ka-sure. May mga tanong na rin itong taong to. Mga what if, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Mga ganyan. Page of Pentacles in reverse. So, meaning to say, there's this energy of delays. Okay? Napapaisip itong taong to na parang, siguro nga tama yung family ko. Nadidiktahan kasi siya. Okay, itong taong to, kung sino man, nadidiktahan ito ng ibang tao na nakapaligid sa kanya pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo, na dapat kayo lang. Yeah, may nagdidikta dito, Virgo. Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. Hindi na rin ito dumating sa puntong minsan naiisip niya na parang hindi talaga settle pa, hindi pa talaga ready. I think hindi pa talaga kami ready, parang ganyan. Okay? Again, the Two of Cups in reverse. Mapapansin nyo, madalas pwedeng lumalayo yung emosyon, nagkakaroon ng gap or distance. Okay? May panlalamig ako nakikita dito. Sa totoo lang, may panlalamig. Anyway, so iniisip ka niya kasi ang dami niyang tanong, ang dami niyang what if, andyan na rin yung parang hindi na rin siya sure dito sa connection. Kailangan niya nang sabihin nating assurance, if ever. If there's this conflict pagdating sa pera, then parang kailangan niya na makakita ng improvement, if ever. So, who else? Who else, Virgo? Sino pa ito na nag-iisip sa'yo? Virgo. Okay. The Seven of Cups in reversed. And the Five of Swords. This person is giving you mixed signals. They are giving you mixed signals. Some of them, this person, may chance na meron silang insecurities. A lot. Okay? They're giving you mixed signals. They're throwing you mixed signals. Magulo mag-isip tong taong to. Papalit-palit ng desisyon. Some of you, pwedeng i-past person ito, na parang lagi na lang kinukuha niya yung attention mo sa ngayon by giving you or throwing you mixed signals. Okay? Anong situation meron? Seven of Pentacles. Justice. Somebody is expecting pagkakaayos, balanse sa ngayon. Yeah, the King of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them, they're too guarded or their ego ang nandyan. That is why. Okay? So, I think, kung sino man tong taong to, gusto niya na pakikipag-ayos. Pero, hindi nila alam kung paano ka i-approach. The Five of Swords is here. Magulong utak nito. Hindi nila alam kung paano lalapit or mag-approach or whatsoever pagdating sa'yo. Pero, yes, they're expecting na magkaayos pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? Ten of Pentacles. Bakit kanya iniisip, Virgo? Bakit ka iniisip? The Eight of Cups. Feeling nila you're walking away. Feeling nila talagang wala ka ng pakialam. You're leaving your emotions behind. Leaving all your emotions behind. Yeah, the Hanged Man. They're waiting. Okay? They're waiting. Some of them, kung ano-anong nasa isip talaga nito, the Five of Swords, they're like, making fake scenarios, like, pwedeng hindi ka na available for them, or meron ka ng iba, or whatsoever, hindi ka na open for pagkakaayos, like that. They're stuck. Okay? They're stuck. The Ten of Cups. Parang, feeling nila, hindi na rin sila magkakaroon, or parang some of you, they're blaming you. They're blaming you kasi parang feeling nila talagang sinasadya mo na hindi makipag-ayos. Kasi yes, they're giving you mixed signals pero parang hindi mo daw pinapansin, Virgo. You're too guarded. You see you as guarded. Grounded. Okay? So maybe ito yung rason kung bakit hindi sila maka-enter sa'yo. Hindi nila alam kung paano ka parang babasagin, no? Parang ganyan. Nandyan yung takot. Nandyan yung takot. Takot sila sa rejection, if ever. Some of you, yes, is your past person. They want reconciliation with you. The Knight of Swords in reverse. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, I think iniisip nila na hindi ka na open din pagdating sa communication. So that is why hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang conversation or pagkakalinawan dito sa connection. Okay, iniisip ka nila parang talagang lumalayo ka na, hindi mo na sila gusto or hindi mo na sila mahal, parang ganyan, kaya kanila iniisip. Okay, like wala ka nang pakialam sa kanila. They're making fake scenarios if ever. Okay, so there. So tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries. Decisions. Making decisions. Taurus. They're lying. Some of you may chance na itong si Taurus ay magsasabi tungkol sa kung ano man yung itinago. Okay? Gemini, they're going back. Choosing to hold on. Choosing to stay. Cancer, they're manipulating you. They are. Some of them, they're manifesting you back. Or manifesting a comeback. Leo, they want communication. Open communication. Virgo, they don't trust you. Yeah, this person doesn't trust you. Libra, I think this is like, sabihin natin, wanting another chance, okay? Or could be a new person, a new love interest. Scorpio, they want stability, or they want closure or clarity, answers, balance, parang ganyan. So, Sagittarius, they're hiding, they're isolating from you, or maybe you have to. Okay, Capricorn, they're sad. Some of them, they have issues or secrets, lies, if ever. Okay, so Aquarius, feeling attached. Okay, attached pa rin. Sabihin natin there's no energy of changes coming from this Aqua or sa situation nyo with Aqua. So Pisces, they want reconciliation, pero hindi nila alam kung paano gagawin, sasabihin. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel. Nasa description box below yung ating love letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye.